to Jean's 25 Days of Christmas, Day 2. Today we're going to show you guys how to make hot cocoa. These are the ingredients that you'll need. Okay, so first we're going to add our milk. We added about 2 cups of milk, but also the ingredients don't have like exact measurements because you can just add as much as you want. But we added about 1/4 of a cup of sugar. You can add more or less, and we added vanilla extract and stirred that all together until it was about medium warm but not really boiling. And then we added our cocoa, mixed that in, and then we added our chocolate chips. Next we stirred that all together. Okay, so we poured it into our cups. We added some whipped cream and marshmallows. This is of course optional, but I just think it makes it look much better and it's so cute. But you can add whatever you want, like peppermint or anything. Next, we sprinkled some cocoa on top. Just add a little touch, and there you go. Super easy and delicious hot cocoa. Hope you all try this out, and thanks for watching. See y'all tomorrow.